No?
Well, in hindsight, no, sa pagbalik tanaw, parang napahirap ang trabaho nila. Di ba? Kasi ngayon kine-question pa yung authenticity ng mga documents na inattach nila sa request for issuance of a subpoena. Kung hindi nila inattach yan, siguro wala nang ganitong mahabang katanungan.
Pero is it safe to say that the documents are fake?
Mahirap paniwalaan on the basis of a mere assertion of a witness na fake nga itong mga documents na to. Kasi, halimbawa, ikaw sabihin mo sa akin na ikaw ay sabihin nating nagkaroon ng nobya na si ganito. Unless napatawag natin yung nobya mo at magpatunay na kayo nga yung naging magnobyo, mahirap na paniniwalaan basta-basta. Hindi
Parang may tinutukoy ka, Attorney Joey.
So, hirapan nga ito yung mga tanong natin kay Attorney.
So, Attorney Joey, itong authenticity naman, itong paano maipuprove naman itong witness? Anong dapat niyang gawin para masabing peke o totoo ito?
Ang pinakasimple sana ay dalhin niya yung itong mga original bank documents at sabihin niya na ito nga yung mga bank documents, kitang-kita na may discrepancy mula doon sa mga photocopies na inattach dito sa request for the issuance of a subpoena. Okay. Pero yun nga, sinasabi niya, the moment na dinala niya yung bank documents, particularly in reference dun sa foreign currency accounts, vina-violate na yung bank secrecy law insofar as foreign currency accounts are concerned. Kaya nga, maganda rin naman yung minungkahi ni Senator Drillo na, takpan mo na lang yung mga confidential information na nilalaman yan.
Maraming salamat, Attorney. Magre-resume na po ang trial sa Senate floor. Balik po tayo, Judge.
35 minutes na.
Tabayanan natin ang pag-uumpisa ng trial. Kasama natin Congressman Georgie Diagabao. Magandang hapon po.
Good afternoon again, Kathy and Gio. Yes, good afternoon, guys.
Mukhang nagtatagal po itong pag-e-examine nitong mga senator judges dito sa witness na ito. Ano po ba ang, aside from her, anong maaaring asahan namin ngayon?
Totoo po, tingin nga po namin ay na-expand na masyado yung examination ng testigo na ito. As far as the prosecution is concerned kasi lahat po na, maliban po sa dollar accounts, lahat po na nais naming makuha dito sa mga bangko na ito, nakuha na namin eh. Ang issue na lamang dito ay yung sinasabi nilang genuine ba o peke yung dokumento. Pero ang pananaw po namin dyan, nabibinbin at nadidelay itong impeachment hearing on that issue. Kasi tingin naman, pwede namang i-undertake ng isang parallel hearing or parallel investigation or separate investigation so that we can go on with the impeachment case. Because ang theory po namin dyan, Kathy and Gio, even granting na, kasi pinalalabas nga nila na illegal daw yung pagkuha namin, di ba? Lumalabas yan yung issue ng little lady, Ang paniwala namin dyan, kahit na aminin na namin na illegal nga yung pagkuha namin, pero...
We're sorry to cut you, sir. Nag-umpisa na po ang
I have to
trial.
go. Yes, sorry.
Your Honor, just a very short manifestation.
Maraming salamat
My
po.
name was mentioned and also the members of my family. So just want to put on record a very short manifestation. Thank you. Your Honor, during the line of questioning earlier by the gentleman from the senator from San Juan, the witness, Ms. Annabel Tiongson, was asked about the acquaintance with my family. My father was mentioned, the name of my father, Governor Niel Tupas. The name of my brother was mentioned, Raul Buboy Tupas, and even my wife was mentioned. So I just want to put on record, Your Honor, to be fair to the members of my family, that I'm not acquainted with witness Miss Annabel Tiongson. The first time I saw her was Monday when she took the witness stand. So just to put it on record, just to be fair to the members of the Tupas family. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You are welcome. Majority Floor Leader.
Earlier, Mr. President, Senator Drilon wanted to ask the President of PS Bank a few questions. So we summoned the President, the Bank President here, although we did not discharge the first witness, the General Manager of, or the Manager of the branch of PS Bank. So may we recognize Senator Drilon, Mr. President?
Proceed.
just for the record, the previous witness said that it's better that Mr. Garcia testifies on this because these documents are now in the head office. That's the reason why this witness, Mr. Garcia, was called back. But having said that, Mr. Garcia, Mr. Witness, the previous witness said that there were differences in the entries of this original document and identified as a signature card and attached as Annex A of the request for subpoena of the prosecution and the original of this signature card, which is now in the head office. Can you now bring the original of these signature cards, which allegedly is different from what was submitted, in that there were entries that were not found in this original of this Annex A? So that is why you are in the witness stand now, to be given the directive of the court to bring this document, the original.
Your Honor, we have presented the documents pertaining to peso accounts to the court, Your Honor.
Yes.
And I believe that what is being referred to actually are photocopies of a documents that pertain to and refer to dollar accounts.
Mr. Witness, it is not for you to argue.
No?
You are being directed to produce this document and even cover, if you want to cover, any information pertaining to the dollar account. All that because it was your branch manager who said that this is a fake document. So as the Senate President said, we're trying to test the credibility of this witness, and we have the right to ask these questions, and we have the right to require you now to produce the original, which you say is different from Annex A of the prosecution's request for subpoena. Because this is what we're looking for right now.
Your Honor, if I may recall...
May I ask for a ruling from the chair? I don't want to argue with this witness, Mr. President.
Let us
Your Honor, may I...
so, you explain first.
May I explain? Your Honor, the order of the court to us specifically stated that we respond to or provide information only on peso accounts, Your Honor. In the good, I think, Senator Escudero, in his questions yesterday, even amplified that no particular matter with respect to dollar accounts should be referred to. The only thing that was provided to us, Your Honor, based on what we were given from Annex A to Annex 4, which this court provided, only yesterday pertain to dollar accounts. May I state, Your Honor, that for the record, when we received the first subpoena and the second subpoena, there were no documents attached to it for us to compare. The only time that we received documents from this court were, I think it was yesterday or the day before, where we were specifically requested to make comparisons and indicate whether there are discrepancies or not. And it is on this basis that we have said that we affirm that there are discrepancies.
All right. With the permission of the gentleman from Iloilo, the chair would like to clarify. Does the PS Philippine Savings Bank separate the records of peso accounts from the records of foreign currency accounts?
Your Honor, with respect to balances, they are separate. But with respect to certain documents, they may be combined, Your Honor. combined.
Now, I would like to,
And if I may, Your Honor,
Yes,
I'm sorry. The documents that were provided to us by the court actually show details there that are peso and dollar details.
do you have this kind of a document?
We have these kinds of documents for many, many customers, Your Honor. Whether they are peso customers or dollar customers, we have all of these kinds of documents.
So you have in your records, you have this kind of documents.
Yes.
Where there is a mixed record bearing on dollar or foreign currency account and local currency account.
Yes, Your Honor, and that was the basis of our stipulation to the court earlier, that insofar as anything that has dollar indicators of an account, whether they're balances, whether they're anything that has a dollar, we requested that we not provide anything for any particular dollar account.
All right. May I, with the permission of the gentleman from Iloilo, propound this question to the prosecution? You submitted a request, a supplemental request to this court for a subpoena duces tecum, and you attach with it an Annex A, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Now, in this Annex A deals with an account with number 08919100037. There is a separate number 3. Is that correct? Will you examine
That is correct, Your
All
Honor.
right. To what document coming from the PS Bank that you already marked as exhibit for the purposes of this proceeding would this document correspond?
We're checking it, Your Honor.
Proceed to check it.
Your Honor, may I?
We're still checking it. What
Please.
exhibit number, Your Honor?
Please check.
$12.
Tama ito? Tama ito? Exhibit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 to 6 to 4. Saan?
$12.
Your Honor, please. Your Honor, please.
Yes, please.
Yes, we checked it, and we did not mark it, Your Honor, because it corresponds to the dollar account. And it was not produced by the witness.
So,